Hello. In this episode, we're going to go over how to add an email signature in your Gmail with clickable links. And we're going to create it right in Canva. It's free. So I am going to start over from the home page so you can see exactly the steps in order to do this. Okay, so once you're in your home screen, you come up here to the search bar, type in email. You'll see where it says email header. It's going to be 600 by 200. Click on that. A bunch of templates will pull up. Feel free to use whatever template you like. For this example, I'm going to use a blank one. And I am going to insert a circle. Quick tip, in Canva, to insert a circle, you literally just have to press C and a circle will appear. I'll give you another couple of quick tips later on in the video that are going to be super helpful when doing this email signature, so make sure you watch it all the way through. I'm going to come up here to my branding and click that to change the color. I'm going to go over to elements, and I'm wanting to put my headshot in here, so I'm going to click a frame. I want this frame to be slightly smaller than my background, maybe just a little bit smaller. I want it to essentially act like a border. So there we go. I'm going to go find my headshot in here. Let's go find it. Oh, uploads. There it is. And let's click that. Now, another tip for Canva when you are stacking elements. So now I have the circle on top of the frame. If I try to move this, it's going to separate. So if I want this to move as a unit, what I would do is just highlight it, and now I can move it as an entire unit. So there we go. Next, I'm going to insert my actual name. Again, another tip is going to be, if you click T, you can click text. So I'm going to put my name. I want it to be way bigger since it is my signature. Put it next to my photo. I'm going to change the font. I think I'm going to try this one. Love it. It's perfect. So put that next to my name, and I am going to actually insert another text box. So T, and I'm going to change the font on this one. I want it to be, I'll do the glacial or however you say it. And I'm going to want this one to be significantly smaller because I am putting my email address in here, which is carissamasonrealty@gmail.com. Move this right down here. I'm going to duplicate that and do my website, which is www.carissamasonrealty.com. So I'm going to kind of place these right here just for now. Oh, I'm also going to put my title. I'm going to duplicate that. So I'm going to do Realtor. I don't know why that period keeps coming in. Consultant. It's right here. Try to center it to my name, but align it as well with that. Pretty good. I do want to put in an element, so a line. That is way too big, so we're going to make it a skinny line. It's significantly shorter. 90 degrees. And then I'm going to move it over here. Make it just a little bit smaller. Okay, so that part's done. Next, I'm going to insert my elements for email and for web. I'm going to make these significantly smaller as well, so probably right about 26 by 20. That looks good, but I'll probably adjust it. That one is as close as I can get. I'm going to change the colors on these as well for my brand. Again, we're just going to adjust to make it as aesthetic as possible. A bit smaller. Okay, that looks pretty good. So once you have this the way you like it, I think I'm going to add my logo and put it right over here. We'll see how that looks. Okay, so once you have all of it the way you like it, you can change it. You can make your background a different color if you wanted to. Like if I wanted to do that, I can do that, or I can just keep it blank. I'm going to keep it blank just like that. We're going to download this, and we're going to make sure it is downloading as a PNG. So click download. Open it. I'm going to name it Let's save this to my desktop so I can find it simply. Very easily. Back to Canva. The next step is pretty easy as well. Just go home, go to create a design, go to custom size, put in 50 by 50. Create new. This box is going to pull up. What I'm going to do is I'm creating 3 because I'm putting 3 clickable links on my email. I'm going to do Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You can do as many or as little as you want. So if you go here, you're just going to add the pages. And then I'm going to go to Elements and add a square. I'm going to make it this color. Just getting it as close to the border as I can, just to show a very little bit of white. Go over here and duplicate. Center. We have one more here. Already did it. There we go. Back to elements, and I have already searched for the elements we're going to use. So YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So we're going to put one in each box, and you're going to want them to be similar size. So I would say like 35 by 35 is a good number. Close enough. All right, so once you have your elements for your clickable links, you're going to come over here to download, and we're going to do it one page at a time. It's going to default to all 3 pages, so make sure you click on it, go to page 1, click done, download. It's going to be right here. Click it, open. I am again going to do this one as Instagram, and I'm going to put it on my desktop so I can find it. Done. Do the same thing for the other 2. Download Facebook. And last but not least, YouTube. I didn't mean to do that. Just page 3. Right here. Open. So now that we have all of our clickable links, we have our email signature, we are going to pull up our Gmail, and you're going to go into your settings. Once you're in your settings, scroll down to your signature. If you have not set up a signature, it will look a little bit different. If you haven't set up a signature, this is what it would look like. It will say no signature, create new. If that's the case, just put whatever you want to call it. Doesn't matter. Create. And then you come over here. You're going to go to insert image. We're going to find the image. And we are looking for the ones on our desktop. So it's this one. There we go. Looks good. So here's the key to this part. When you're inserting your clickable links, you got to pay attention to where your cursor is. So you have to use your right arrow to get your cursor over here. You're then going to go do the same thing, insert image, go to your uploads, and we are going to put Facebook as first, open, and it will insert your Facebook, and it should show up right there. And again, cursor is key, so you see it's on the left side of the Facebook. Make sure you click the right, insert image. We're going to go to upload, find the file, Instagram is next, and do the same thing. Right arrow, insert, okay. Now that you have your signature, all 3 of your clickable links that you're wanting to put in there, you can resize them. This is the original size. I think I'm going to make it the small size. It's just slightly bigger, but not obnoxious, but you can adjust it to whatever works for you. Once you have the size you want, again, you're just going to highlight it. Once it's highlighted, at that point you can insert a clickable link. So for Facebook, you would just come over to your Facebook page, copy your link, come back here, go to insert link, paste that in there, click OK. Did the YouTube, so we'll start with YouTube. Go to the YouTube, find your YouTube channel page, copy the link. Okay, it's giving me problems. There we go. Insert the link. And then the same for this one. We just come up to here, copy. Okay, so at this point, your signature should be good to go and all set up. So what you're wanting to do is scroll to the bottom, click Save Changes. If you want to test it out, click Compose. Oh, skipped a step, sorry. Go back to your settings. This is crucial. I'm glad that it came up while we're on this video, so you can see why your signature isn't coming up. So the signature's there. You do have to set it up here. If this is the first time you're setting it up, you'll have to set up your default settings. So you're going to want it to be there and whatever you named it. And I want mine to come up every time. I just don't like it when you reply and it's not there. I do like the signature there every time. So I'm going to put that there. Click Save Changes. Now it should work. There you go. And I am going to show you that it does work. So I'm going to send an email to my other email address. There it is. There's my signature. You can actually align these differently if you'd like. Some people want it underneath or to the side, but I just want to show you that they work. There you go. If you have any questions on this video, just comment and I'll be happy to help. Again, hopefully this was beneficial to you and helpful, and I'll see you next time.